In how many ways can 3 women be selected out of 15 women if one particular woman is always included and two particular women are always excluded? Now, total 15 women are there. Out of that, one is always included. So one is always taken. There are two particular women who are always excluded. So there are two other women out of whom we are going to select 0. So 1 plus 2, 3 are gone. 15 women are total there. So 15 minus 3, that is 12 women are still remaining. Now we have to select in total 3 women. Only one woman has been selected till now. So therefore we have to select 2 women from the remaining 12 women. So therefore we can write it down as 1C1 into 2C0 into 12C2. So 1C1 is 1, 2C0 is 1, 12C2 becomes 12 into 11 divided by 2, and therefore answer comes as 66. So answer will be option A.